Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 10 of annual term exam, and today's SW number will be 8. My dear student, our today's topic name chapter 10. From chapter 10 we shall solve 3 CBQ number 4, 5 and 6. So let us start our class. Here chapter number 10, geometry. Okay, in our previous class we have already learned CBQ 1, 2 and 3. Today we shall learn CBQ 4, 5 and 6. This 6 CBQ is efficient for your annual term exam. So my dear student, now what is the CBQ number 4? We shall read first. Okay, an angle of a rhombus is 60 degree and a side is 5 centimeter. Do you know the definition of rhombus? A quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and no angles right angle is called rhombus. So by using this information, that means each angle 60 degree and side 5 centimeter, we draw the rhombus. B number, write down the characteristics of rhombus. 5 number, define circle. That means at first we need to define circle, then we draw the figure. After that we write the characteristics in question number B. CBQ number 6, a circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. That means a circle is given whose radius is 3 centimeter. By using this information we need to draw the circle, which is in question number A. Question number B, show the different part of the circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. That means, my dear student, at first we need to draw a circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. After drawing circle, then we show its different part. That means a circle has how many things? Center, circumference, radius, diameter, chord. We need to show in a figure, in a circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. So my dear student, let us start our class. At first we shall solve question number 4. That means an angle of a rhombus is 60 degree, a side is 5 centimeter. Okay, we draw the rhombus. So my dear student, here you notice CBQ number 4A. So we need to draw a rhombus whose angle is 60 degree and side is 5 centimeter. At first we draw the side. My dear student, here the unit is in centimeter, but if I draw the line in centimeter, then it seems so small. So I take unit as inch. Okay, for your better understand. But in your exercise copy you must use centimeter unit, right? So here is 5 centimeter, so you have a small scale, and from there you can easily take 5 centimeter. But if I take 5 centimeter here, then that figure seems so teeny, just like this one. Okay, so it's hard to understand you. So my dear student, at first we draw a line whose is 5 centimeter, but here I take 5 inch. Okay, this is 5 inch. Okay, then we draw a angle whose measurement is 60 degree. Here we draw an angle whose measurement is 60 degree. Okay, this is base, 5 centimeter base. Okay, and okay, by using protector we draw 60 degree angle. Okay, so then notice this is 60 degree angle, 60 degree angle, and this is 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. Now my dear students, here we draw the rhombus. So first we take this 5 centimeter as the base of the rhombus. Then here I draw the angle whose measurement is 60 degree by using protector. Okay, here I now here I take only 5 centimeter, right? Okay, then the above line I draw a 5 centimeter line, because we know that rhombus all sides are equal. Then we draw that point and that point. Okay, and this is the required rhombus, and here I write the name A, B, C and D. So this is 60 degree and this angle must be 60 degree. Okay, and it is 5 centimeter, it is 5 centimeter, it is 5 centimeter, it is 5 centimeter. My dear student, this is the figure, and here I write in the above figure A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Okay, is a rhombus. Now question number B, write down the characteristics of rhombus. We have already learned this in our half yearly exam. We read this again. Characteristics of rhombus, all sides are equal. That means 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That means all sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means this angle is B, whose measurement is 60 degree, and D must be 60 degree. I repeat, D must be 60 degree. So B equal to D. On the other hand, A equal to C. That means opposite angles are equal. The diagonals bisect each other. My dear student, if we draw BD diagonal and AC diagonal, then two diagonal bisect at this point. Okay, bisect at this point. That means the two diagonal bisect each others. Okay, bisect is other. So question number 4 is done. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 is define circle. Write down the characteristics of circle. So what is circle? A closed curve whose points are at equal distances from a fixed point within it is called a circle. I repeat, a closed curve whose points are equal distances from a fixed point within it is called a circle. My dear student, suppose this is a closed curve. Okay, this is a closed curve and it's a fixed point within it, and all the points, that means this point, 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 all the points are maintaining a same distance from the center. Okay, I hope you have understood. Maintain a same distance from the center. So my dear student, the definition: a closed curve whose points are at equal distances from a fixed point within it is called a center. This fixed point name is center. Okay, my dear student, notice this is a circle and this point name is center, and we name this circle is ABC. So in the above figure, ABC is a circle. Okay. B number question, write down the characteristics of circle. So from the definition we find at least 3 characteristics, which are: it is a closed curve, right? B number, 2 number, it has a fixed point whose name is center. Number 3, radius of a circle is half of its diagonal. Half of its, sorry, it is not diagonal, it will be diameter. Diameter. I hope you have understood. So my dear students, another one we can also write: all the points are at equal distance from the center. Okay, no need to write this, we write at least 3 characteristics. Okay. Then question number 4. Question number 4 is, sorry, question number 6. Question number 6 is, please notice, a circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. Draw the circle. So my dear student, first of all we draw a line whose draw a radius whose measurement is 3 centimeter. But my dear student, if I take 3 centimeter, then it is so teeny, so teeny. So we take 3 inch. Okay, my dear student, this is radius. By using this radius, we shall draw a 3 centimeter. We shall draw a circle. My dear student, you must use the unit of centimeter. No need to use inch. If you use inch, then it will be totally wrong. Okay. So my dear student, please notice, I take a radius 3 centimeter. Then I draw a circle. Okay, this is 3 centimeter and name of this circle is ABC. So here we write in the above figure ABC is the circle whose measurement is 3, whose radius is 3 centimeter. I hope you have understood. My dear student, next we shall solve question number B of 6. Here we need to draw a circle whose radius is 4 centimeter and also show its different part. That means B number question. First of all, we draw a radius whose measurement is 6. Okay. Then okay, my dear student, this is the circle whose measurement is 4 centimeter, whose radius is 4 centimeter. Now, my dear student, we shall show its different part. That means this is circumference. Okay, this is center. This is radius. This largest line which passes through the center is called diameter. This is chord. Okay, my dear student, this is center, this is radius, this is diameter, the distance which is called circumference, this is chord. I hope you have understood. This is question number B. So, my dear student, you must do CBQ number 4, 5 and 6 as your SW, and you must memorize this very carefully, because by learning this 6 CBQ you will get at least 3 questions in your answer script. So, my dear student, you memorize this very carefully. Okay, you must do an essay in SW copy, submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So, my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.